You hear the heart me? Thank you for the heart, Miss Kitty. Thank you so much, love. Good morning, Lou. You should have a fun package today. Let me know if you get it. Thank you, love. Good morning. Oh, that smells so good. Look at that. I don't have as big of a bucket as I forget her name, but she does those really yummy pours. Let's see what I have that can. Yes, candy coated. She makes it look so good. I know, isn't that color so pretty? Hello, Maya. Good morning. Thank you for the heart me, DJ. Thank you so much, Miss Q. Suds have so much personality. I used to be a Suds hater when I was just a watcher, but now that I'm a creator too, I'm obsessed. I got sick of being picky in people's lives. I'm like, can you layer it like this and use that sponge and squeeze this many times? And one day I was finally like, you know what? Let me quit bothering these people and just do it myself. Good morning, Calm. Intrusive thoughts 1, and I just made a total mess, but I think it was kind of worth it. It's so yum. Okay, we're gonna do a couple more squeezes, and then I'm at capacity over here. And I'm actually gonna leave this sponge in here to soak, because I'm on a mission to get this sponge good and broken. Good morning, Shirley. And this pine rinse water has pop and all the things, so I think it'll be good. Oh, that smells so amazing. Wow. Wow. There's less oil in the pine paste bucket, and I have it in my area, but I don't have any on hand. But I was saying earlier, if anybody wants to send for a custom private video, I'll get this stuff today. I think it would be delish to do like a week series of pine videos with the pine paste bucket, and maybe add like less oil and cans, or Walmart pine in cans, or do like a baking soda reaction in cans with the pine paste tote added as well. I think that would be so delicious in like the sink or a bin. So if you guys want me to do a custom or personalized video, let me know and I'll grab this stuff today while I'm out. I think if we can get like 5 personal videos, we can just do a week lineup of pine paste. I'm so down for that. Just DM me. That sounds really, really yummy. Maybe lemon comment. Less oil, get some suds going, and then do a baking soda reaction on top. And then some lemon comment cans. Sounds delish. Thank you, Shirley. Thank you for the gifts, love. Oh, fun, Shirley. Hey, Ariana. Yeah, I'm gonna grab stuff today, so it'll be fun. Okay, last squeezes for real. I'm playing this all day. Now that my live studio is working, y'all are gonna be sick of me posting recaps. Thank you, Smiley. It's so good. I'm gonna show y'all. Cover photo. Maybe we should do it from the angle. Cover photo. All right, y'all. Well, have a great day. And like I said, DM me. Let's make some fun videos. Let's do like a week lineup of pine paste videos and have some fun with that tote. And I will talk to y'all soon. Road to 10K. Make sure you're following. I have a really fun, free situation planned for us. So let's help us get there. Bye.